Hello guys, welcome back to CADmate. In today's video we are going to design U-clamp of V-block. We will use some of the essential commands and features to bring our sketch into 3D design life. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part. Click OK. Go to the background scene and click on Plain White. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the right plane. Take the Circle command and draw 62 mm diameter circle here on the origin point. Again, draw another circle of 50 mm diameter on this origin point. Click OK. Make it normal like this. Now take the Centerline command and draw a horizontal line passing through the origin. Click Exit. Again, take the Centerline command and draw a vertical center line passing through the origin point. Click Exit. Now take the Line command and draw a sketch like this. Click Exit. Zoom it. Take the Trim Entities command and draw all these extra entities like this with help of Power Trim. Click OK. Take Mirror command. Select all these lines like this. Click here and select this center line as reference to mirror about. Click OK. Here we see we have perfectly mirrored all the entities. Now take the Line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Click Exit. Select the center line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line and this one. Make them symmetric. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command. Give the length of this line as 16 mm. Click OK. Give the value to this line as 12.5 mm. Click OK. Length of this vertical line is 6.25 mm. Click OK. Give the value to this line as 38.25 mm. Click OK. Total distance from this line to this one is 76.25 mm. Click OK. Again, click OK to finish the command. Zoom it. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Click on Finish Sketch. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Click here and select these contours like this. Select here mid-plane. Give the extrusion value as 16 mm. Click OK. It looks perfect now. Click on this edge. Click Fillet. Rotate. Also select this edge. Give the fillet value as 4 mm. Click OK. Make it normal. Now click on this face. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw 6.7 mm diameter circle here on this origin. Click OK. Press Ctrl+7 button to make it normal. Click Finish Sketch. Now go to the Insert menu. Click on Part. Choose here Fastener. Click Open. Scroll down. Enable Locate the Part and Copy feature. Scroll up. Click on Fastener. Click here to release. Click Yes to accept the changes. Here we have Mate setting. First click on Hide, Unhide option. Now click here and select the circle and fastener head. Click Add to make a mate. Select this face and fastener face. Make them coincident. Click here. Give the distance 25 millimeters. Click OK. Click on Hide. Go to the Visual Styles and click on Real View Graphics. It looks perfect and amazing now. Again, go to the Insert menu. Click Features and then click on Combine. Here choose the Subtract option. Click here and select the main body. Enable Body Transparent. Now click here and choose this body to subtract. Click on Show Preview. Here the threads are made. Click OK. Make it normal. Go to the Visual Styles and enable Shaded Mode. Now go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Steel and choose the brushed steel. It looks perfect with this appearance now. Again, go to the Visual Style and remove the Shaded Mode. It looks better now. Go to the File menu. Click on Save. Select the destination folder and give the part name. Click Save.